Welcome to K-Smooth Garage, where everyone isn't a mechanic.
What's up, guys? K-Smooth Garage at Motorcycle Moments. Welcome to the channel. Listen here, today is going to be a little different. I have displayed all of my bikes about whether I've done something to them or I'm going to do something to them. But today, we are going to focus on the CanAm. That's right, the CanAm. So, what we are going to do today is do a little oil change. So, that daggone thing flying in my face, mother, you better leave me alone. You better leave me alone. It's too early for y'all to be out here. Go on now, it's still cold. All right, sorry about that, y'all. And I ain't even gonna edit this. They got to go. Leave me alone. All right, let's get this thing up in there. All right, we're gonna get Big Blue, which is the lip, to pick up this Big Blue. Okay, guys, as you can see, Big Blue has lifted Bigger Blue. I know that was corny as shit, but guess what? I ain't no damn comedian. So look at here. We have got this thing off the ground. Look at it. It's off the ground, I tell you. I've had so many people say, man, I don't know, if I was you, I wouldn't have bought that thing. That's too high. It costs too much money. Listen here. You buy the things that gets the job done. In my book, this was the one that get all of my bikes off the ground. You got the CanAm sitting high. That bad boy there, it'll pick it up with no problem. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this thing on there. It's gonna happen, but I haven't figured it out yet. I've got a couple different videos with the gold wing on there. And of course, Black Ghost. Y'all seen Black Ghost on there. So look at here. Man, it's time to get this daggone thing all changed on it, on this CanAm. And give me a minute and we'll give you some footage on it as well. All right, guys, we are back. We're gonna go ahead and jump on this old CanAm here. And one thing about doing this CanAm, when you're doing a oil change on this bad boy, I mean, it for one thing, it takes a lot of oil. This thing takes 6 quarts of oil, 6 quarts. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and tackle this bad boy. We are in the K-Smooth Garage. This will be shared on Motorcycle Moments as well as K-Smooth Garage. All right. So let's go ahead and get started and get this thing done. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and see what all we have in the box. Look like we got some instructions. Look like that is the filter and some candy. They must have known I had a daggone sweet tooth. And this looks to be the filter remover. Yep. So, And there you have it. Right there, we've got 6 quarts, 5W40. And this is from Le Monster Garage. Le Monster Garage. So, let's go ahead and get it crack-a-lackin'. Okay, for starters, we'll go ahead and remove this panel. And what you see here is, here's your dipstick. And if I'm not mistaken, and I could be mistaken, because I've been mistaken a lot of times. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm trying to still remember how I did it the last time. But anyway, we'll figure it out. I know I've got to take that out, and I got to do something with that. I'm gonna have to look this stuff up. Okay, guys, I have just started the bike up, and I'm gonna let it run for about 10 minutes. Warm up the oil, so when I drain it, it'll flow a little bit better. But that's what we're doing right now. Tell you, man, that thing sits up pretty high. As you can see, sits up real high. So doing this oil change is gonna be easy peasy. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're gonna take this panel off, and we're gonna take those two. We're gonna take those 2 screws out, and let's see. We're gonna take those 2 out, and that is a T25 to take those out. And when we take that off, it will expose everything that is in there and on the bottom. What we're trying to accomplish is get to the filter. So let's get to it.
Sorry ass DJ.
As you can see, we always have a stubborn one that don't want to do right. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get that booger out of there. Cause it's rimmed out, and I don't know why. Cause the other 3 came out with ease, with no problem. So, well, we need to figure out how to get that one off. So, stay tuned. Okay, guys, as you can see, I got the panel off, and just had to massage it a little bit. When I put it back on, that screw is actually still in there, but the guy that had took this off before, I don't know what he did, but anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and let me show you where this filter is. That's where that filter is, and we've got to get that filter out. And it's a chore, but you know, we can do it. We've done it before. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we are up under the bike, and we're gonna go ahead and get ready to drain the oil. So I'm thinking that this is gonna be kind of a messy job. So we are gonna go ahead and try to get her lined up. well enough to not make a mess. And I am using a ratchet T45. So let's try to get this thing going. And also to note that this drain plug is going at an angle. So be careful how you put it back in, as well as how you take it out. So let's try to get this thing going. All right, we broke it. We're just gonna have to let that bad boy fall in there. One guy did say you're gonna have to fish it out. So that was, I still got it, so I don't have to fish anything out. But we're gonna go ahead and take the dipstick out there, let it drain even faster. Yeah. Okay, guys, as we've got the oil draining, got it draining. All right, guys. So as the oil is draining, once they get done draining, we'll go ahead and, because there's two plugs, two plugs, and once that one get done draining, then we'll drain the other plug, which is the transmission plug, if I ain't mistaken. So let's go ahead and get some preparations done, and we'll get right back at you. Okay, guys, we are back. I just got done unboxing the oil change kit. So what I am using today with this kit, I mean, the oil change, I'm using the Monster Garage full synthetic motorcycle engine oil. As you can see, it's the 5W40, and I've used them before, and on this CanAm, and no issues. This here is the oil filter to take that off. That is the tool. Put your ratchet on, and I want to think that, I'm gonna say that is like an 1.25 inch socket. That socket is, I want to say it's 1.25 inch. Let's see, or 36 millimeter. I've used SSE. I think it's equivalent, or daggone there, close to it. But this is 36 millimeter. All right. Don't want to tell nobody wrong. Y'all be cussing me out in the comments. Talking about you don't know what you're talking about. And guess what? I really don't know what I'm talking about. This is just, I'm doing what I'm doing on my wife's bike. So she trusts me enough to get this thing in the spec, get it changed. So that's all I need. Here are all the O-rings that come with it. And, you know, basically just match those O-rings up to all the ones that's coming off the bike here. And lastly, the oil filter. And it is a HF 556 premium oil filter, high flow filtro. So we have everything that we need for this job. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, guys, I am done changing this oil, and I don't know, for some reason it took me a little bit longer than the previous times that I have changed the oil on this CanAm. However, I am done, and only thing we got to do now is just button it back up, put the panel back on, and actually wash this thing, cause y'all already know Lady Smooth ain't washing a dang on thing. So my job, change the oil on it, the fluids, check air pressure, and clean it up. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get her done. right, guys, I got a smile on my face. She's all buttoned back up, and she's good to go. I've already had her running. And let me say this. It comes with 6 quarts of oil. Put 6 quarts of oil in it. And, don't say I'm gonna use 5 and just save the other one, just in case it starts leaking. No, use 6 quarts of oil. So this is gonna do it for this video. This is a 2019 F3 Limited CanAm. And this is my wife's. So you already know I had to carefully make sure I did everything right. So, cause we don't want her to break down, tire pressures and all that kind of stuff. So we just want her to get on it and do what she do best on it, is ride it. When I bought it for Christmas, the only thing I told her, the only thing she had to do, she didn't have to pay for it or anything. The only thing I want you to do is ride it. And that's what she does. She rides this son bitch she ride it like a son bitch. But anyway, I try to be like Brandon Mac. But anyway, yeah, she does her thing on it. And y'all see us out here on it. All right, y'all. Till next time, this is K Smooth Garage, and Motorcycle Moments. Share, subscribe to both channels. Again, I do have a K Smooth Garage channel, and I have Motorcycle Moments with K Smooth. This segment of this whole entire video will be on both channels. So, like I say, subscribe to both channels. Help me out. And we'll see you on the next video. Deuces. All right, guys. Just got off the CanAm, took it for a spin. Make sure, everything is on everything. And she's good to go. I just need to do the tires, our air pressure, match them up, and should be good to go. All right, Lady Smooth. Lady Smooth, you are ready to go. Oil change, transmission change, all, those fluids. And clean it up real good. Hook their lights back up. And I did all this. You best believe it's probably gonna be a smooth night. All right. Check out her new Lady Smooth cup she got made. And pretty nice cup. Let's turn it around there. Yeah, that's a nice cup there, Lady Smooth. All right, y'all. And Lady Smooth. All right, guys. Y'all see her out there. Tell her what's up. All right, y'all. I'm going to get out of here. I got dinner waiting on me. Until the next time, like, share, subscribe. K Smooth Garage or Motorcycle Moments with K Smooth. Either one, or do them both. Come on now, help a brother out. Peace.